We have all grown through the life, and we've seen that the age of in the 16, 17, 18, our beliefs are so strong. मैं ये करूँगा, मैं ऐसे करूँगा, मैं वो करूँगा. You know, we all have a very different thing. And then we get into job लेते हैं, कहीं भी जाते हैं, suddenly जो वो थी वो चीज़ों में थोड़ी सी compromise शुरू हो जाता है. Right? So this is the age where you are really very definite. So I picked up the youth of कहानी का, उस हिसाब से मैंने कहानी को place किया है, taking them as a central point, so that they control the environment around us, because they put their foot ahead. गलती करते हैं, कुछ भी करते हैं, ripples बनने शुरू हो जाते हैं. Challenge, that was part of the demand of the script. We wanted everything which was very fresh. Because otherwise sometimes, unless and until you have an actor of that age who is so good that the image doesn't bother. So, but it's also best to pick up people who are more fresher, so that there's no image behind it, and then conveying it across becomes much more simpler. खैर वो तो शुरू से ही तय कर लिया था ना, करने से पहले कि मैंने ये सब करना है. कि बाद में मैं नहीं सोच सकता था ये मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. तो पहले बहुत सोच समझ के मैंने कदम रखा, और डेफिनेटली पहले मैं दिल लगी कर चुका था जिसमें मैं आई वाज एन एक्टर एंड अ डायरेक्टर एंड अ प्रोड्यूसर. तो एक दफ़ा कर चुका था, तो बट उस वक्त छलांग मारी थी. इस वक्त आई वाज लिटिल बिट मोर प्रिपेयर्ड माई सेल्फ फॉर एवरीथिंग एंड पुट माई फुट अहेड. My purpose to take the foreign coordinators, because I've worked with a lot of them since from first film Betab onwards. I've always had foreign technicians, especially from an action point of view. Again, like Meri Ghayal, because that Ghayal was very real kind of a thing, but little larger than life. तो इसमें भी मुझे चाहिए था मेरा एक्शन उसी तरह से हो, scenes वैसे हों. So obviously I needed I was looking at the Hollywood film मैंने ढेर सारी देखी, and I was very fond of Bourne Ultimatum and Identity. जिसके अंदर the action is very real, सही उसी पेस में है. So that's why I took him, because that's what I wanted in my film. मेरी जो भी स्क्रीन प्ले कहानी चलती है, वो एक्शन भी हो रहा है, कहानी भी चल रही है, सब चलता जा रहा है. I so much want to do so much more. I just hope this film works, and so I can really venture out and do more stuff which I really believe in. And I very much wanted to, because I feel that today's youth needs a direction towards creativity, and the belief that it is not just all these gimmicks and cosmetic things which you have to call it creativity, you know. And we have to look deep into our society. We have to look deep into our country. We have to look deep into it, and there are so many things there for us which we should bring out in our cinema, because somehow or the other, the cinema is reflecting us, and it's kind of a indirect way educating or giving a adrenal to the people on the positive side, you know. So I want it all to be. And like I said, let this thing go, because I've got loads of things on in my mind which I've locked over there, waiting कि अच्छी होगी, लोगों को पसंद आई, then I'll just open the box out, but sensibly. होता नहीं है, बिकॉज मैंने कहा ना, इसलिए मैंने कहानी लिखी है, बिकॉज जो डायलॉग्स मेरे लोग बोलते हैं, जिसकी आजकल हम जिक्र करते हैं, उस वक्त हमें नहीं पता था कि दीज वुड बी दोस अंडरलाइन डायलॉग्स जिस तरह से हो जाएंगे, हमें नहीं पता था. And that's what I loved about myself, which whatever films I've done. And this also I've done the same thing. It's a story, it's a character. It's a character उस वक्त क्या बोलेगा उस सिचुएशन में, rather than उसके लिए पहले डायलॉग्स बना दूँ फिर उस कैरेक्टर के ऊपर फीड करूँ. No, I don't believe in that.